Oracle taillights for the Ford F-150 are kind of like when you finally trade in your 90s tube TV for a 4K Ultra HD screen. Suddenly, you realize how much clearer, brighter, and, frankly, cooler things can look. We're talking modern showstopper. Because, let's face it, the stock F-150 rear lights are about as memorable as unsalted popcorn. Fine, functional, but not head-turners. You swap them out for Oracle taillights, and instantly your truck jumps a full decade into the future. Nighttime visibility? We're talking nearly double the lumens compared to OEM. What's wild is people spend, 50 grand on a new F-150, but still drive around with basic taillights. The upgrade's impact is massive, and yet it's one of the most overlooked mods. Oracle's lights basically shout, "This isn't your grandfather's pickup." Here's the thing nobody tells you. Installation anxiety is real. You get the Oracle kit, and suddenly there are wires, adapters, and a manual that basically assumes you have an electrical engineering degree. But take it from me, Scott, regular guy in Portland, you can do this. Step 1 is popping the tailgate and removing the 2 bolts holding the factory taillights. A ratchet wrench does the trick. It's a 5-minute no-sweat deal, unless you drop the bolt behind the bumper. Been there. It's a pain. Disconnecting the old harness is the next challenge. Pro tip, there's always one stubborn tab that makes you question reality. Push down gently and wiggle. Don't muscle it or you'll snap something plastic. Tail lights should come free with a gentle pull. Now for the fun part. Before you bolt the Oracle lights in, test them. Plug them into the factory harness, flick your headlights on, hit the brakes, check turn signals. Save yourself the agony of reinstalling if something's DOA. I learned that the long way on a rainy Saturday. Wiring nightmares are kind of a rite of passage. Oracle taillights usually come plug and play, but people get tripped up when adding sequential turn signals or extra features. Double-check polarity. If a light doesn't work, swap those connectors. 8 times out of 10, that's the culprit. Mount the new Oracle taillight in, hand thread the bolts, then tighten, but don't hulk out. Overcranking can crack the housing. Line everything up before you give it a final torque. The caulking seals are pre-installed, so you don't need to DIY a water barrier unless you like added security. Take a step back and admire. The difference is instant, rich, even lighting with razor-edge outlines. I'd say at least 50% brighter than stock, and the brake lights have a pulse effect that's totally next-gen. You'll notice drivers behind you giving more space just from the visibility boost. Common pain point, condensation. Portland drivers, you know the rainy season drama. If you see fog inside your new taillights after heavy rain, don't panic. Run the truck with the lights on, and most of the time it self-clears. If it doesn't, Oracle support is known for solid warranty help. Frankly, the hardest part of the install is fighting the urge to keep pushing more buttons just to watch the new sequences. Night cruises have never looked quite so sci-fi, and you'll find yourself answering, "Where did you get those?" at the gas station every other fill-up. So if you want max bang for the buck mod, this is easily in my top 3. Visibility, style, even a bit of safety, all at a price point way less than swapping wheels or suspension. Plus, a 5-year warranty, which is better than a lot of tattoos, I regret.